Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding pictures to an album on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Gallery app and hold down on the photo that you would like to add to an album. You can tap to select other photos too. When you have selected your photo or photos, tap on the 3 vertical dots More button in the bottom right. From this menu, you can choose Copy to Album, which will keep the photos where they are but also add them to your album, or Move to Album, which will remove the photos from the camera roll and move them to your album. You can tap on an existing album to move your photos to it, or you can tap Create in the top right to create a new album. Choose a name for your new album and then tap Create. Your photos will be added to the album. To view the album, tap Albums at the bottom of the page. As you can see, if I copy photos from the camera roll rather than move them, they will remain in the camera roll as well as being added to the album. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.